Can you see my screen, Satya?
Not yet.
Okay, can you see this one?
Yeah, no way.
Okay, see here, in this web table only, okay, we'll learn like the use of next method here. We have two methods, next and prev. And last lecture I told you about next and prev. Can you correct?
Yeah.
See what happened, using next and prev method. We'll just check it out here. Okay, now I'll open this website here. Okay, this is a website. Okay, so what happened in this website? This is the table. See, this is the table. You are just checking out in this table article fish. Okay, you want to search this one. Got it?
Okay. Wow.
Okay,
What is this?
can you
Each.
1 second? Can you see my screen now? No, no, full screen.
i- i-
1 second, I'll share my screen again.
I'm seeing the data table.
1 second, entire screen. Okay, now can you see the screen?
Yeah. Yes.
Correct. Now see in this table, if you see clearly, Satya, in first row, in first table you can see this article shift fee. Correct.
Yes.
Now in this table, I want to grab this value.
Just give me 1 minute.
Yeah, yeah, take your time.
Yeah. I can
Yeah,
continue. Yeah.
yeah. So see what happened, you can grab this value by using two ways. First, going to second child, this column, okay, using index or each iterate, you can grab this one, okay.
Okay.
Next way is to use the next method, like you are here in only, okay, and you are just clicking the next method. So next for this method is 2000, and prev method for this one is article fee shifts. Got my point here? Like for example, if you are here in this,
No, no. If you want to,
like for example, if you
uh,
are using this column, okay, this column you are grabbing some locator, okay, and you are here
no,
suppose.
if you want to traverse a whole web table, so we don't know which row, which column. In that case, also will it work?
It will work only for this next one. Like if you are here, if you click again next, you go to this one next for this one. The next method I'm talking about.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, and if you want to go back, you can use prev method. Prev. Okay.
Okay.
For instance, take one example here. Like see, you like you have one like this is a website. Okay, and
Okay.
in this locator child one, you can also use like el index and list is
And the
for
child one means that is row one or column one.
child one means column one.
Okay.
Inside column
Row
one, you have many
one.
rows, correct? That's why we are use each iterator here. See, if I take this, locator here. If I go to this website, inspect it, control F. See, I got 31 column, like 31.
Okay.
Yeah, so 31 is what? If I click on enter, hit, suppose I enter like second, for example, for second, this one is,
Okay. 31 rows we have.
yeah, 31 rows we have in first column.
Okay.
Got it? Yeah.
Yes.
So
Okay.
you can also select this 2000 by using this child too. Okay, coming to the second column and iterating here till 2000. Okay, so we grab this value 2000 here. Okay,
Okay.
but in this case what we are doing, we are in the child 1 means column 1 only, and we are just checking out what is the fees for Indian students if he want to opt article ship. Got my point? If I want
Yeah.
to, if I want to make one scenario like that, if I want to grab the fees of particular course,
Yes. Yeah.
so here you can also see somewhere 2000 is there, somewhere 2000 is there in your course. Maybe the possibility, yeah, 2000 is there for this course also. So we cannot directly grab this one, correct? So we just want to showcase here the scenario is like that. I want to just check it out. What is the fees for this course?
Yeah.
Correct? If I want to say like, if I want to make a scenario like, tell me, what is the course for CA Foundation? What is the fees for Indian student as well as for foreign students? So I should get the result this one like this. For Indian, for CA Foundation course, for Indian students 11,000, for foreign students something $1,100. Got it? This is
Yeah.
scenario. Yeah. So what you will do in this case? See, you use your each iterator. Now, as of now, you cannot use index also in this each. In each iterator, you can use three. You can pass three parameter. Okay, like element, index, and list. We'll see how index and how a list works. But as of now, we'll see index. Last lecture we
Okay.
have seen the element one. Correct? Yeah.
Yes.
So what you will do, like whatever with the text is there inside this one. Okay, this locator. Using each iterator, you are grabbing all the locator and
Element.
converting into text. Yeah, element and convert into text like this. Okay, and whatever the text is there, like the fees and all, so it's going to assign to str here.
Okay.
Okay, and now using if condition, we are checking out this str contain this article fish or not. This is the first condition we want to grab.
Okay.
Yeah, now if you are, we are inside this article fish, yes, if the condition is true, then we want to grab that fees here. So how to grab that value? You have to take again the same locator here, trtd and child one. Okay, the same locator, and you just need to put index for what? Like for example, if you are selecting this one, article fee ship. Okay, so you know what happened, like if I take you to this website, see right one, you are into this ca foundation. Okay, okay, so
Okay.
using each, what happened, you are iterating here, ca foundation, ca intermediate, you are iterating here, correct? So when you are iterating some elements here, so what happened, the index value also incremented by one
Okay.
for
Yeah.
first even zero. So in that way we can use here eq here. Okay, okay, so whatever be the article fee ship is there, the index for this one, we are taking this index here
Okay.
because we don't know na. If I directly use this locator trtt and child one, if I directly use next method, so I don't know where to go, even though this condition is true for me. But this
Okay.
locator contain all the 31 rows, correct? So which row I have to go to next? I don't know now. That is why I put here EQ index. So index means what? Whatever be the index for this one article fish, like one, two, three, something is there. So it's stop here only.
Okay.
Got my point?
Yes.
Yeah. Then what happened? Then you're using next method here, and again you're using one function method. Then what then will do? Then we'll take, you get passing one variable here, price, and that price of converting into text and assign to price text, and you are using one explicit assertion like expect price text to equal to 2000 rupees. Okay.
Okay. Then to identify the correct column, right?
Yeah, yeah, to identify the correct column.
Okay.
Got it? So
Yes.
I run this one and let you know how it works. So this one, I'll save this all. See, it got passed. Can you see?
Yes.
Yeah. Now what I'll do? I'll just take you one more scenario here. Like I want to use the instead of next, if I want to use preview. So right now we are into this 2000, correct? So what I'll do,
Yes.
I'll just take this same script here. I, I'll just paste it here. I'll just give comment to this one. Okay, now I'll just pass here 2000 rupees. Okay, uh, this one is
Okay.
2000
Now you are
rupees. Yeah, I'm passing. I'm taking the child to second one here. Okay,
taking.
yeah. Again, I take the second one here, and here now include 2000, correct? Now I want to use this
Okay.
preview method, and now I want to search for that screen that what we call article fish sheet, correct? Yeah, this one I want to grab this value. I just go and one second, I just put it here.
What about the then?
Then means what? It's grabbing the value, no?
No. After preview, we are putting then method, right? We need to
Then means what?
reply.
Yeah, this locator containing some I want to grab some values, correct? This value. I'm just want to compare this values, their values. So what happened using then function? I take one variable price and converting into text that value and assign to price text. So now in this child 2, okay. So instead of 2000, I'll get this value article fee sheet because I'm using this pre function here.
Okay.
Now I'll run this one. See, I got the answer. Can you see?
Okay.
Yeah. So you have any doubt, Satya? Tell me. Using this next and pre method.
Prev. Inside then we can pass any that is just parameter name or that is the column name.
No, no, inside
Right?
then no. You're talking about this one, na?
Yeah, we can give
You
any
can give
name,
you
right?
any name, any
Okay.
name. Yeah.
Okay. Can you paste this in chat?
Yeah, I'll
This
paste both.
program.
You try at your end. Let me know it's working
Yeah.
or not. Okay.
Yeah.
This is for 1 second. Huh?
We can have any number of describe
Yeah, yeah,
section, right? It will run one by one, right?
correct. You can use more one describe block inside. You can use two it block. It will work. Okay, Satya.
Yeah, yeah.
Can you share me your screen?
Yeah, yeah.
Just check it out. It's working fine on at your end.
This file.
Can you run once again? Yeah, it's a. You can just put missing part, the braces.
I added braces.
I think more two braces required, no? For it and for describe. One more.
This is for this one get.
Yeah, how many open, you can check it out.
Mm,
Uh, Okay, okay, you forget to close the if after line number 25, I think.
this one.
Yeah, 25. Yeah, after 25, hit enter. You can put in 26. Yeah, close the if block. Remove one curly braces. Yeah, you can put. Okay, got it, got it. You can just put one parenthesis after line number 26. Yeah, hit enter and close the if now.
What-
Now remove the last one. I think you need to put two, one for describe and one for it. Okay, do one thing. Do one thing. You just need to put comment on line number 3 to 7. You can use only once. No, don't use.
Only one describe we need to have.
Yeah, yeah. As of now, you can use one describe only. So comment that one, that above part.
We can't use two.
No, you can use one in one describe block. You can use two. So you can do one thing now. You
I
can
remove
you
this
can
describe.
you can see keep as it is describe block. You just put the closing braces for above code also. No, you cannot put a describe inside describe. So you have to need one separate block for
Yeah,
describe
yeah,
only.
yeah. 1 minute. See, let me
Yeah,
understand. We need this one. We need to close,
yeah,
right?
yeah, yeah. Correct.
This is one. This is two.
Two.
This is three.
Hmm.
This is just
If.
if only one curly brace, right?
Yeah. Okay, you just do one thing. At number 14, hit enter. Close the if first. Close one braces, one brace.
This is if done.
Yeah, if.
Uh, yeah, yeah. This is if. After that, I am trying to close it. Then
No, no,
this.
no. After if you can close that, then one na. Go up.
After before we have this one. It only, right?
Okay. Okay, so it's fine now, correct?
No, still
Yeah, you can do give one more after line number. Go down.
errors.
Go down. Yeah, you can give a remove that. Give one more.
1 minute. This one closed. This if it.
Let me share my screen to you guys. Satya,
Okay.
you can check it out at your own. Okay, it will take more time for you. I'm sharing my screen. Now you can just go to this deliverables. Now this. See my code. You will get this for it. This for describe.
No, I am not able to see your screen.
Not able to see. 1 second. Okay. Now,
Yeah, now.
no. This one is describe. This one is for it. This one is for
Okay.
then. This one is for if. This one is for if.
See,
And
then is inside if, right?
this one is if na.
Then
Yeah, you can see. You can use this each. This is for each one. Yeah, and this one is for then.
Okay, each. Okay, each. Okay, okay. Mm, okay. Then each it disc.
Clear?
Yes.
It's working fine now. Same do for the below code and then to describe block. Let me know what happened. Can I share your screen now?
Yeah, 1 minute. Let, yeah. Let me. Are you able to see my screen?
Mm-hmm. Yes. Now you have to describe block. Correct? Save it and run it.
Yeah. What is the shortcut to get this? Okay, to get this folder.
Shortcut, you can go to run terminal. You close that one. Yeah. Yeah, you get this. So can you go inside? First describe. It is not running, correct?
Handling web.
Click that handling web table. What is there inside? Nothing now. Yeah.
Get here 31, 31 equal 5.
Yeah.
Next asset.
Go for second. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. You clear na how to use next and previous method?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Now we'll see the aliases.
What is the Cypress variables?
Yeah. Yeah. We'll cover that one also.
Advanced Cypress command.
Yeah. We'll see that one also. Advanced Cypress commands. First, we'll see today's lecture. We see alias. Can you see alias?
Yeah.
Yeah. We'll cover that one. And tomorrow we'll see that advanced custom command. Okay, okay.
Okay.
Advanced Cypress command and Cypress variables. So in this lecture now we'll
Okay.
see the alias. So what is alias now? See, can you see this? Alias means, like for example, what is your name? Like for example, your name is Satya, correct? So
Okay.
yeah, so person having this pseudonym also at home, like the
Yeah.
parents calling them, correct?
Okay.
So
Yeah.
same
Tech.
alias means giving the name to something. For example, I'm having this. I open the Google page here. Okay, so I visit this google.com and I use one locator as GLFI. So text box locator, correct? Correct. So the person should know like what is belong to, what is there exactly. We don't know, no, GLFI means what. But after searching the text box, we came to know that it's a locator for text box, correct?
Okay.
So we are giving name to this locator as text box. So you can use as here, as text
Why?
box.
What's the use of alias? Why we need to?
Actually, alias is used for API testing for intercept. Actually, it's a like we have some big name, okay? So we are giving some name to find out which locator is it for.
Okay.
Okay. For example, when we are using fixture, fixture, at the time also we can use alias to grab the value of fixture file. So here you can see here.
Are you sharing? I'm not able to see your
Oh,
screen.
sorry, buddy. I thought that I'm sharing. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Yeah. So see here. This one is your learning aliases in Cypress. Okay. So you are going to open this google.com and you are using one locator for text box. So GLFI we don't know now what is exactly, but when we right click on text box and go to inspect, we came to know that for that particular text box this is a locator, correct? So what happened using aliases, like aliases means giving some name to some locator or something. So use as here and giving this name to text box. So what indicates like next time when you have to use this locator, no
Okay.
if you are using aliases, so don't use like this. Use at the rate text box. This aliases you can use right now. Okay, dot type India. Okay, same for this one. This is a locator for Google search. So you're giving the name for this locator Google search. So using at the Google search dot click.
Okay.
Yeah. So in this name, alias is nothing but it's a name giving to something for to use for to clarity and to use later on.
Okay.
Yeah. So in this way you can use this aliases here. So you can understand easily. Yeah. What happened? Yeah. Using text box, you are typing something. Using Google search button, you are typing. You are clicking on Google search button here like this.
Okay.
Yeah. Again, you can just compare it like using then function. You can just comparing it using expect assertion here. So I'm sharing this also to you to check it out how it
Okay.
works at your end. Aliases.
Yeah. See, we are writing then, right? Then element. When,
Mm-hmm.
when we then to write the assertion.
Yeah. See, actually, then also used to like to grab some value inside the locator. We use then. Like for
See,
example,
why
in
dot get this
yeah,
one element
yeah,
is
yeah.
dot then
So what happened? What happened in this case? We are typing India at line number 7, correct?
yes.
So we are just cross verifying that whether that India is getting displayed or not after inserting, after clicking the search
Okay.
button. Yeah. So we use then here and find out the locator where the then should get displayed. So we take that locator and using then we use one variable element, convert into text and just checking out that whether that value India is getting displayed or not after clicking on search button, cross verifying.
This what is this locator YKM? This is the
Like
test box.
no text box. Like once we put India in the Google search and when we click on
Google search button
search, so
clicking.
we
Okay.
will get India written somewhere in the website, correct?
Okay. Okay. In search results.
Yeah, in
This
the
one
yeah
like
in this one, correct.
you found locator for this test.
Exactly. You can just check it out. Go and right click and check it out the locator for this one. You will get the same one.
I think I have to
You
open.
directly you copy that locator and paste it there.
Okay. I have some styling. Okay. This one I think.
Yeah, India is written na. Yeah, that is correct.
Okay.
Okay, okay. Now I'll share my screen to you. You stop sharing, Satya.
Yeah. Sure.
No, we'll see the how to use the fixture file. Fixture. See, we have in left hand side.
Yeah. Fixture. Yeah. Yeah. Fixture.
Yeah, you have in left hand side fixture folder, correct? Fixtures.
Yes.
So this contains JSON file. So you can put
Yeah.
your
Example.json.
yeah, you can create your own fixture file also. Like I have created one table.json. You can put your username, password, whatever you want to encrypt your data.
I
Okay.
didn't get it. What is the use of this? To
Like for example, you have your username and password, and you want that you
okay, it's like a configuration file or
yeah
a property file.
not configuration. Like for example,
Property
you have data and you don't want to do hard coded coding. Okay. So what you will do, like for example, just now you type correct India
like properties file. Okay.
properties file, you can say correct. Like just now in
Hmm.
aliases you have seen that you have written the India in the inside the type, correct?
Yeah.
So I want that this one is a hard coded. Okay. So you cannot go each and every code and change India to other country name. Okay. Instead of that, what you will do, well, you can create one folder or one file, and inside that you can put India and you can pass that India to that locator. So you whatever data you want to pass now, it is in the same file. Okay.
Okay.
So like for example, I have created one fixture file table.json. Inside this, I have to pass this value: your full name ABC, your email here ABC123, and your contact number like this XYZ contact number. I want to pass this value to some website. Okay.
Okay.
So what I'll do, see what I'll do, how it works, like you can also, like for example, if you got some exception error handling case, like so you can also use this Cypress dot and code, this code, uncode exception one, if you find. Okay.
Express.
Uh,
Uncaught exception.
hmm So now
Okay.
what you will do, see inside this before hook, this one is before is your hook. We'll see how hook works. Okay, the tomorrow's lecture we have like four types of hook: before all, each all. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, before before each, after each, like this. Okay. So now
Can you write some notes? So,
you want notes for this fixture file?
just some. Yeah. What is the use and
No, it's a simple one. I'm just sharing the code
uh,
also. It's nothing like
okay.
So like for example, uh, inside this hook. Okay. So basically, we have four types of hook: before each, after each. So what happened? I am writing this picture file inside this before. So what happened before the each blocks execute? So before this each block, first it will execute this whatever inside this before.
Okay.
Okay, and if I write before each hook, so it means that if I am having 10 each block, so each, before every each block, this whatever inside before each is there, it will execute. Okay, so don't go there in the hook side. Okay, we'll cover that one later on, but just remember what
Okay.
how to use fixture here. Okay, so you use cy.fixture command like this.
Okay.
Okay, so this also come under advanced you can say command in Cypress. Okay, like command fixture advanced command, you can say. So this cy.fixture you can use table. This is your, like if you open your table,
That is the fixer name.
fixture name, correct, table.
Uh,
Okay, you using then here.
okay.
Okay, like as you said, like as you have seen that whatever you want to grab some value, you use then, correct. And inside then you can use f data here. This is variable. You are passing this variable to this f data. F data is your you are defined globally data. You're passing to this data. Okay, so whatever be your fixture file, inside the fixture file is there, like you have seen table.json, your full name, abc, your email here, like this. It comes under data now, this data. Okay, now you are going to open one website, amazon.in. Now you can just use the data dot select watch. eq1 should be visible. Okay, so you can use this one, like select watch is your, got my point what I'm doing.
Yeah. And
See, this one is your custom command I'm using to pass some value, this one.
yeah.
Yeah, I'll just take you through that example here again. I think you are sleepy in mood, I think so.
No, no, no. See, which data? Okay, data dot select.
Yeah, this one is a custom command, created custom command. Okay, so we'll cover tomorrow also. You just check it out how to use the fixture file is using right now.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, sure. Then yeah.
Yeah, if you
Can you
see,
share code?
yeah, one second. If you go to this custom command, no,
This is support file, right?
yeah, support file inside it, we have this. Mm, Now what I'll do, I'll just showcase you what is inside this cy.data log. data. How to grab the value from fixture? I just showcase you right now. Okay,
Okay.
don't worry about this one. So now I will run this code. This one is fixture file. Yeah, you get one dot. See in inside log you can see three object. Can you see
Okay.
three object means that object is what? Okay, now I want to grab, for example, first name inside this three. Okay, so what I'll do, data is there. Now I want to grab this value. I want to grab your full name. Okay, you just copy this full name here.
Okay.
You go to your fixture file. You just see here what happened now. Log dot control V. Now check it out what happened now.
It will print only full name, right?
Can you see ABC?
Yes.
It will print ABC. Okay. Now if I go and change this to data table, my system hang. Yeah, this your content name. Copy this one. You got it now. How to grab the value?
Yeah, yeah, yes.
Now this one is, you just put it here. Your contact number. Save it and run it. So your number is, you got the number. Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So same thing. Like you are using then then this variable, you're passing this variable, correct? Then f data, even you define this one. You can also directly use using aliases. Okay, how to use that alias? Copy this one. Okay, now what you will do now, instead of writing this all these stuffs, remove this all this stuff, just pass here alias here. You can put any name for this one, table information something,
Okay.
table info. Okay,
Okay.
now this one is for describe below. This one is for each block. This is for the before each, and Yeah, I don't want this one right now. Okay. Now see here, whatever data table information is there is now into the table info.
Yeah.
So directly you go here. Just I don't see
Table
why dot
info
log
dot
log inside this. If you don't
table info
table info.
dot.
Okay, table info. Like, but you need to use here this for current object
Okay.
dot go to table, just take,
Whichever.
yeah, content name, take any value, paste it here. Okay, now check it out. Two method you can see using then function, using whichever you want, you can use using fixture. Now you can get error here. Can you see?
Yes, cannot read
Table
properties of
in so what you
undefined.
yeah, undefined this one. So what you should do at this time? If you put this one like this inside this like this one. Okay, now run it. Now yeah, I can just do one thing. Now using inside now, don't use this here now.
Yes, I will describe.
So again I'm getting this error here.
Why we removed this, right? Why still getting it?
Let me check.
Mm, Fixer table as table info. We need to put ampersand or no tests found.
You cannot use directly at the rate here.
Can you increase that font size, screen size? Can you zoom little bit? I'm unable to see
Once again,
clearly.
we have this phone na something here. Control plus equal to, correct? Control plus equal to sign.
Yeah,
Zoom out. Control plus equal to
yeah.
sign. Control plus.
Zoom out.
Okay. Is it okay?
Now okay.
Yeah.
To verify the
We use like this, no? Cy dot get at the rate text box, no?
yes.
So at the rate text box. So if suppose if I use this like this,
Mm-hmm. Mm,
Mm-hmm.
What happened?
It's not getting display the result, no?
Yeah, it's beef.
Mm-hmm. Uh, Let me do one thing. Cy dot get. Okay. This dot table info dot. Mm-hmm. This one work actually is okay. Do one thing, Satya. You try with both then and s. Okay.
Yeah, can you copy this code?
Yeah, both copy. I'll copy and share to you. This one is using the one by one. I'll share you 10 line of code. Okay, so try at your end. Let me know. Okay.
Let me copy this one on minute. Okay.
Okay, then we'll meet tomorrow. Okay,
Okay. Yeah. Sure.
yeah, bye.
Bye.